Hi Mason. So your overall lesson, I'm going to go ahead and let you know that it is very clean, organized, and well written. I would have to say for your overall, like for the rubric that I have on the right, um, my grade for all of the categories would be above proficient. Um, and then now I'm just going to go through each of the categories and let you know why I think this. For the connection among the content, um, it was very it was very well thought out, and your lesson plan had description of why you chose what you were doing, what technology you were using, and how they connected. Um, the rationale you had for the instructional strategies that you were using, you clearly stated in there that the technology you're using for the students and the reason behind that. So again, with the connection, um, then for the appropriateness that you yourself are using as a instructor, you were one of the few of the lessons that I saw that actually included um, uh, like standards for technology for the teacher or instructor. And I feel like the ones that you have selected go along with your lesson very well. Then the technology for the student use, you again have these standards listed with the health standards that you were using. They go along with your lesson very well, and you have addressed those in your rationale and throughout the guided practice and independent practice and things like that. Um, the alignment standards for content and computer use. Um, your lesson clearly states that the standards you were using go along with the lesson and how you're going to do that. Um, and the technology that you're using, I feel that it is spot on because you're using a dance lesson slash health and physical education, and the students are going to be looking up different dances and making their own dance unit or dance routine and practicing it and then showing it to the class. Um, you addressed in your rationale the Bloom's taxonomy, um, and it was some of the higher order thinking that you were using, not just the low level of Bloom's. Um, and I think, oh, and then there were no errors that I saw in your lesson. So overall, I think you are going to be qualified to get your license through the TPAC lesson. Thank you.